I'll give you 5 reasons for big ceiling fans. Hey, where AC is not practical. So if you're doing a repair shop and fixing vehicles, driving in and out, you got exhaust in the air, you don't want to have it all closed up with AC running. You want a lot of air moving through there and have your doors open. So that's where big fans come in, keep the air really moving, or it's just so big you don't want to spend the money on AC. Or if you have some AC and it's not quite cool enough, by really getting the air churning in the summertime, it's going to feel a lot cooler. So that's the first reason. Another reason is they're super efficient. So you got fans spinning under 100 RPM, it really cuts down their electric usage. The average RPM they're running usually is around the same as the big high bay light. Those used to be around 400 watts. So that's actually what one of these fans runs for. And that'll keep like a 60 by 60 foot area nice and comfortable for a handful of people working on, just for the equivalent of one of the like metal halide lights. Another reason is your floor is too wet. So when it's been cool and it warms up and it's muggy, your floor sweats, your inventory sweats. If you've got it in fluid drive or your steel is rusting or the product is getting wet from the humidity, this will help the constant air movement will get that temperatures equalized and keep the condensation from going anywhere, so to speak. The other thing, if you want a quiet work environment, so if being quiet is a big deal, you don't want a lot of pedestal fans. Big ceiling fans are quiet because they spin under 100 RPM. It eliminates cold areas. So if you've got cold air down here and hot air up at the ceiling, the big fans running slowly will keep it all mixed and even. It makes it a lot more comfortable. Even in our own shop, it's a big deal because we have a hot air heater up at the ceiling and the fan starts automatically and equalizes it out over the winter time. Otherwise, we end up with like 120 degrees up at the ceiling and 50 down at the floor, which is really unhandy because your feet get really cold. So those are the 5 reasons where AC is not practical, where it's not quiet enough, if you got mildew, or if it's too cold down at the floor, and if it's too much, if it's not efficient enough to have AC. So those are the reasons why you would consider big ceiling fans. And why should you listen to us? We have done over 1,000 fans, and we have seen how they work over and over again, and these are the top 5 reasons.